So, it's been a little while, and I have to apologize because the break was due to the storage running out on the phone that I'm recording this on. But cleared out the storage, charged up the battery, so we're good to go again. First off, I want to say I went out and got a little container for all the screws that I'm having to keep track of, so it's better than the little glass bowls. If I can get one out without it popping. Okay, let me try that. There we go. So I've done a little something like that. So it's got the label for the screws in there and the screws themselves. And keeps them all nice and secure. And the other thing I did was to pick up some new 2032 batteries. This is important because the one in here that we're going to be removing in the next step, it's the original one that came with this system. So I think it's due for a change. And speaking of, we can go ahead and remove the case there again. Set this to the side. And we're going to remove what's right down here, the little battery compartment. So let me move the batteries over here. And we will set the Wii onto this box. So I've got some room to work. Get it slid over to me. And here we go. So I want to remove that screw right there. And it's going to be a Phillips. So let's get removing. Turn it a bit more so I have better access. Oh yeah, that's much better. And this one's a captive screw, meaning it won't come out. But, okay, that needs a little bit more. Not wanting to work with me here. Let's get it in at an angle where I can see the screw. There we go. There we go. And there's the battery, and that looks like it is time for replacement. So let's go ahead and do just that. Cut off the corner, and I can then have an easier time of getting the paper removed. Maybe cut it again. All right, I think I got it this time. Yep, I got it this time. So, get our new battery out. Pull the little protective film off. And plus goes up, so drop it in like that. And this can go to the side. Put it down here where I put everything else. Now, there's a screw right here that needs to come out. That one right there was hidden by the battery compartment. But now we can get it out. And it is a tri-wing. You know, I think I've proven that this is the better one. I don't know why I keep going back with that other one. Got another screw removed. And with that one out, let's take a little look. I do believe these need to come out as well. And then we should have the entire shield here ready to take off. All right, get these two here removed like I had said. And then we will be good to move on to the next bit. Let's get it turned where I have good access here. And away we go. So there's one. And I'll just put it over here in the box. And this one down here. And the same thing, it goes in that same area. And now we can lift off the shield here. Let's see, how do I want to go about that? Just make sure I've got everything removed. Yep, I do. So, okay, that took a bit of work, but the shield can now come off and go to the side. And here's what we're looking to work with. The DVD drive. All right, now we've got some screws to remove that are holding the drive down. This one, this one, and there's one in each of these two holes that need to be removed as well. Let me get it more in frame there. So, like I said, we've got these two here, and then the two in those holes there. So let's start with this one right here. Keep trying to guess. There we go. Got that one out. Now for this one. Actually, let me turn the Wii around here so I have better access to it. Much better. There's another screw out. Time for the next one. Which is right down in that hole right there. And here we go. got it out of the screw hole, but now we need to get it out of the access hole. Always have something to work with. One left. One left. All right, get this one pulled out. Like so. And we're done with this step. All right, now we can turn this slightly this way, and there's a cable we've got to deal with underneath. So what I want to do is just lift the drive up just enough to get at that cable. There we go. Now I want to get both of these removed. So let me get the power cable here out. Being very careful. One cable is free. Now this one has a little trick to it. Got to flip up this little brown protector like so. And the cable itself comes free. So far, so good. And now, time to do it all in reverse with the drive in the box. So let's set the old drive off to the side. Take this and set it off of the box, else we're not going to be able to get into it. So I'll just put it right there. And now to get the drive out. let's close the box back up because we're going to be needing it again very shortly, I would assume. Just about got it here. Get the bottom flap in. There we go. There we go. All right, let's take this new drive out. Looks so nice and new. Okay. So we're going to get things reconnected. Flip up this little latch again. And this ribbon cable must go in there. And then the power. So let's get it where we can work with it. Yeah. This is not going to be fun at all. Let's see, could I stand this up on its side to maybe make it a little bit easier for me here? Yes, I can. Excellent. And you're still able to see everything. Also excellent. Okay, that's not gonna work. Huh. Okay, that makes it a lot easier. I was thinking this had to slide into something. But no, it just has to sit in there and then that clamps down onto it. I was making this a lot harder than it needs to be. Would make my life a little bit easier if this was not so bent. Let's see. No, that's not going to do anything for me at all. Okay. I'll spare you the lengthy process here of getting this connected again. All right, it took a while, but I got it in. And now, just to get it seat it again. There we go. And now we can begin putting the screws back. Starting with the ones inside here. Well, that was the plan. I see it. Aha, the screwdriver will be able to help me out holding it down. There we go. That's where it needs to be. Now let's get it screwed down. Okay, I don't think that went in like it should. There we go. Okay, maybe that went in right. We'll see with the next one here, won't we? That we most certainly will. Like it or not. Yeah, the other one still needs to go in a bit more, but we'll get the other two in the back in, so everything is connected. And then I will work on that first one again and see what needs to be done to correct it. There we go. Now, all right, everyone, hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, feel free to give me a like and maybe subscribe. And if you want to go a little bit further and you want to see your name in lights in the credits here, feel free to go to my Patreon and contribute. Till next time, everyone.